So, hello everybody, hello again, and we're going to continue with some of the basic operations again in Excel. So, continuing on with what we did in the previous two videos, in this one we're going to do a combination of sums, subtractions, multiplications, and divisions. Okay. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to create a combination of all of these. Okay, so again, if we have a matrix of numbers, okay, random basic numbers, we're going to just do a few, okay? We're not going to do that many. Okay, let's see, 13, 14, 15, and 16. Simple as that. Now, we're going to create the divisions over here, or the operations over here, rather. So let's say that we want to combine a few numbers. Okay, we can do that. We can combine operations just like we would do it in paper. Okay, this is again basic math, so we're able to make different interesting things. Okay, so the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to do a sum. Okay, now the way that we're going to do a sum, we're going to do it in the traditional way. So we're going to grab two numbers. Okay, let's say we got B3, we're going to add it with D4. Okay, so we got B3 plus D4. That gives us a 13. Okay, now, if we want to create another number here, we're going to do the parentheses. Okay, so we separate this operation. Okay, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to select another number. Let's say I'm going to select number 10, which is D3. Okay, so I'm going to select that. Okay, and then I'm going to put a minus. So what's going to happen is that it's going to grab D3 and it's going to subtract what's inside the parentheses in this case. And what was inside the parentheses at first was 13. So, no, you know what? Let's grab a bigger number than that. So again, we're going to grab a bigger number than 13, which is 15. Okay, so it's going to be E3 minus B3 plus D4. So what's going to happen? It's going to say 15 minus 13, so we should get a 2. Now we've got them separated. So there you go. We have a 2 right there. Now, what if we want to multiply this by something else? Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to separate this. Let's zoom in a little bit. Let's zoom in a little bit more so we can see clearer. Okay, very good. Now let's separate this whole thing in parentheses. So we open parentheses and we're going to close the parentheses because the black ones are together and the red ones are together. So now what we're going to do is we're going to multiply this with something else. We know that the result for this is 2. So we're going to multiply something by 2. Where is it? Let's see. There you go. Okay, so we're going to multiply this by something else. We grab the asterisk and we're going to multiply it, let's say, by 4. Okay, so we're going to multiply 2 because 2 is the result of this. Okay, again, and we're going to multiply it, okay, by this, which is B5. So if we are correct, we're going to multiply 2 times 4, so the result should be 8. Let's see if it's correct. There you go. So it is correct, and we've created this massive operation. So let's make it even bigger so we can combine all 4 of them. So we open another parentheses to separate this one, and we close it here. So as you can see, the black parentheses are together, the red parentheses are together, and the purple parentheses are together. Now, if we click on it, we have 8, which means that all the parentheses are together. Okay? But now, we know that the result of this is 8, so let's divide it with something that is, in fact, divisible by 8. And the only number that I see is, of course, 16. So I can't put it at the end. I'm going to put it at the beginning. So I'm going to click on 16 right there, which is E2. And then I'm going to push the slash or the diagonal button right here. This is it right here. Okay, we got the diagonal. So it's 16 divided by everything in the parentheses, which equals to 8. So 16 divided by 8 should be a 2. Let's see, let's hit enter, and there you have it. Now we have a big operation combining all 4 of the basic operations. So there you go, and there you have it.